Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Dorsey Snob Park in West Virginia. There are scenic views, there are trails, and there's disc golf, so let's get into it. And the first trail we want to take is up to the top of this hill here. That looks like there's a big rock lookout, so that's where we're heading. All right, up we go. Going to the top of this hill. Strenuous climb. All right, let's send it. There's a bunch of trails here, so I'll have to figure out where they go then. But for now, gotta go up, get to these rocks up here. We'll go around the front side first and then head up the back. There's some big rocks just up at the top of this hill for no apparent reason. Go up to the lookout here. Looks like it's just me up here this morning. Ooh, a little icy up here. Down in there's some little animal footprints of some sort. Must be living back in that cave hollow there. All right, we're here at the top of the rocks and a beautiful view. And supposedly there's a geocache down in the woods over on this side. So see if I can find this thing without falling and dying. Somewhere over in here. Up there's the lookout where we just were. Okay, and I think the cache is down and around here on the other side of this fence. So that's the plan. It's probably on the underside of one of these rocks. Or right in around these rocks somewhere. Let's see. There it is. Perfect. All right, let's see what's in this thing. It's a letterbox, it says. Hidden where only those who know to look for it have found it. Yeah, geocache. Similar. Letterboxes usually have stamps. You stamp something saying you were there. But if you don't have a stamp, I guess you can just sign it. See, like there's some different stamps. We're just gonna sign it because I only have a pen. Nice spot for a cache, for sure. Front to back, so I'm just gonna have to find a space and sign it. Get those from 2008. Crazy. All right, so we signed it. We're gonna put it back under the rock where we found it. And then we're gonna go see about this other trail as well. There it is. Perfect. All right, back to the trail. Let's go along this fence and back down. All right, so let's go back down and check out this other trail spot and see what that's about. This trail looks like it's going to be a shorter one, so let's go down and take it and see what there's to see. That was the Sky Rock Trail, just a short thing up to the outlook. Gotta not fall here. Here's the Cherry Tree Trail. So we're gonna take this down and around and let's get into it. I should have brought my hiking poles. This snow's fairly slick, actually. Look at those power lines. Look at this hill. Easy does it. And here's the big power line above. Whoa. Okay. Beautiful day for this. There's some rocks. Nice view off to that side through the trees. The power line's so big, they have a ratchet strapped to the pole. Oh, there's some people down there disc golfing. That's where we're gonna be heading later. Something scurrying up in here. Oh, it's birdies. Birds. They flew back in a little further. This hill's pretty steep for the snow. If I can get down this hill in one piece. Some deer prints there. All right, we just came down that hill there. This is the road I drove in on. So now let's go find the disc golf course. Oh, look at this course. It goes down over the hill. You can see the holes way down in there. There's people down in there too. So guess we start up here and work our way down.